When I wake up reaching for a shadow, still shaped like you in the dark. Your absence makes the room feel louder than it ever did with your heart. I move through days like nothing's broken, like I'm steady, like I'm proud. But every thought I keep unspoken is screaming without making a sound. I don't chase what's already gone, I just feel it settle in. I miss you without making a sound, in ways no one ever sees. It's not the tears that give me away, it's how calm I seem. I carry love I never say, still heavy, still around. Every ache I've learned to hide without making a sound. Time keeps asking me for patience, like healing comes on command. I smile like I've made my peace, like I don't still reach for your hand. I've learned how to breathe through moments where your name wants to be loved. So I hold it deep inside my chest and break without making a sound. I don't want you back here with me, I just want the pain to move. I miss you without making a sound, in ways no one ever sees. It's not the tears that give me away, it's how calm I seem. I carry love I never say, still heavy, still around. You're every ache I've learned to hide without making a sound. If love is meant to fade with time, why does yours still stay like something unfinished? I don't know how to say. I miss you without making a sound, in every quiet place, in the space between the words I choose and the truth I erase. I don't ask for understanding, I don't need to be found. I've learned how to fall apart without making a sound. If you ever hear